Hey everybody. All right. Don't you laugh at my pajamas, okay? This is what work from home program means. You can work from home in your pajamas, all right? So don't be making fun of me and my PJs, okay? Anyway, here's what I want to talk about today on how network marketing works. I hope you enjoyed the last video. I told you I'm going to start doing a series of videos to try to help people in the network marketing industry. So here's today's discussion. Very, very important. You might want to share this with your whole entire team, okay? One of the things that's going to happen in your network marketing business is that those who you thought would support you may not do so. Okay, very, very important. I have been in this industry a very long time and I see it over and over and over again. One person will go to a meeting or hear a call opportunity or get a phone call about an opportunity, whatever it is, and they get really excited about it. They see the vision, they love the product, they have the idea, and as they're working their business, they actually run into a roadblock within their own home, meaning that the person who they thought was going to support them in the business actually is the biggest dragger down emotionally when it comes to the business, because that person don't see the vision. Sometimes they didn't attend it or whatever it is, but either way it goes, this is something that you're going to have to learn to overcome. How do you overcome that challenge? It's tough, but the way that you overcome that challenge is simply by realizing that you don't need everybody to buy into your vision for your vision to work. Okay, hear what I'm saying. Your belief system has to be strong enough that no matter who is on board with you and who is not on board with you, you got to do what you got to do. Okay, and oftentimes you have to end up doing it quietly. So don't find yourself or put yourself in a position where you have to keep on trying to explain yourself to the other person. Because if they don't get it, they just don't get it. And the more you talk to them about it, the more they talk bad about it, the more you feel discouraged and the quicker you're going to quit. So oftentimes you just have to find quiet methods of doing your business on the side. Okay. During lunchtime, when you're at work, during lunch, don't go out with your friends. Use that hour to be able to do your business, making phone calls, researching tools to use for your business, researching your product, getting more familiar and comfortable with it. Whatever you got to do. Listen, you're a business owner. You're trying to transition out of the work environment to the PJ home environment where you can work from home and you don't give a crap about who sees your outfit or don't, because you're working from home, right? That's the whole point. But along the way, you're going to have to deal with those who are challenging your dream. And you don't have to do it combatively. You can do it quietly. Because one thing I know about business and people is that those who are not on your side in the beginning, once they see you successful, all of a sudden, now everybody want to be on board. But in the beginning, sometimes you go against those challenges in your life and you got to deal with it. And here's what I'm encouraging you to do. Don't try to deal with it by blabbing your mouth. Just quietly do your business on your own private time. Make the phone calls and don't have envy in your heart, because all that's going to do is slow down your business, because now you're using time there and creativity of mind that you should be using for your business as a tool of resentment against those who did not support you, even if it's a family member or spouse, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it is. Don't be angry with them. They just don't see what you see. It's all no big deal. They will when them checks start coming in and you start hitting them levels in your business. So be encouraged, keep it moving, keep it positive, and just don't quit. All right? If you need to contact me, you can always reach me at TLC Opportunities 365 at gmail.com. TLC, because I'm in a company called Total Life Changes. I love the company, Total Life Changes. So it's TLC Opportunities 365 at gmail.com. So again, if you like your business, and you just need some encouragement, hey, I'm here to help. However, if you are looking for a new opportunity because the one that you're working on currently is not doing its thing now, and I need to say that if you've been working on it and you know you've been doing the best you can, you've really been hustling and grinding, and it's just not happening. Sometimes it's just the company is not a good fit for you. You may have the right enthusiasm, but not be connected to the right product or service. So often, and that's happened to me, no problem, nothing wrong with the other company. It was just not a good fit for me. I like the ones that are serious, not serious, but all of them are serious. But I wanted one that was very easy to do from my pajamas, that I can operate online, where I didn't have to have any products on hand. I didn't have to do any, house parties. You can do that with any of these businesses, but this one you really don't have to do it. You can do everything online. So anyway, the point is that I'm not trying to sway you from what you're doing, but if you do need an opportunity at a better um, possible network marketing opportunity, I'll be glad to take you under my wing, and our team will be warm and welcoming. We have a number of people who will be supporting you, not just one coach, not just me, but a number of people who will be helping you with your business. Okay, but either way it goes, if you love yours, keep watching the videos. If you want me to, help you along the way and give you some encouragement, just like I said, TLC Opportunities 365. I'll be glad to help. Okay, because here's the thing. I just want us all to be blessed at the end of the day. Okay. All right. I like it. Boy, I look good on camera. Just playing. Have a blessed day.